Hi everybody! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny. And if ikaw po ay Shopee seller, then this information is for you. Just in case hindi ka pa aware, please be informed that there will be an updated seller commission rates effective on April 2024. According to Shopee, with this change, they will provide extra platform vouchers for April 2024 para isupport ang mga sellers since medyo tumaas na naman ang ating commission rates, plus an additional 1% discount on commission fee. So if you are interested or if you would like to avail the 1% discount, I created a separate video discussing on how to join and how to meet the criteria to get the 1% discount sa kanilang fast shipping program. I mean, if you are a seller, you have to take advantage this 1% discount on commission fee kasi malaki din yung magiging impact niyan in total of your orders. So this is the commission fee rate structure for Shopee Marketplace. Mga Shopee local seller, ibig sabihin kayo po ay nagbebenta sa Shopee at the same time buyer din kayo sa Shopee. Hindi kayo under ng Shopee Mall at hindi rin po kayo under ng overseas sellers sa Shopee. This commission fee rate structure will be effective on April 1, 2024. So, make sure na aligned na rin yung pricing nyo by that time para hindi kayo magulat na bakit bigla kayang tumaas yung aking commission fee and so on. I will be sharing with you this category and subcategory plus the commission. By the way, I got this information from Shopee Education Hub just in case you wanted to check it yourself as well. Run through natin ngayon yung category para makita nyo rin kung saan magpo-fall ang inyong product and magkano na yung commission fee by April 1, 2024. So, mag-umpisa tayo sa category ng audio. So, audio is at 6%, cameras and drones at 5%, and then we have here the computers and accessories at 5.5%, and then gaming and consoles at 6%, sa home appliances naman, as you can see, iba-iba yung subcategories niyan. It will start from 5% up to 6.5%. Again, depende yan kung saan magpo-fall yung product na binibenta ninyo. And then we also have here the mobile and gadgets at 5% up to 5.5%. And then mom and baby category, 5.5%. Beauty, food and beverages, health at 6%, and then categories under pets will be at 6.5%, automobiles from 5% up to 6% yung commission fee rates, and then books and magazines at 6.5%, and then we also have here hobbies and collections categories from 6% up to 6.5% naman yung commission fee rates. And then, meron din tayong category ng home and living, sports and outdoors, and stationery at 6.5%. And then, motorcycle at 6%. Baby and kids fashion from 6% up to 6.5%. And then, fashion accessories, men bags, men shoes, watches, women bags, women shoes at 6%. And then men clothes, Muslim fashion, and women clothes at 6.5%. So, in case wala dyan yung category ng product nyo, I would suggest to directly check it through the Shopee Help Center or mag-chat kayo sa customer service nila to double check kung saan category or subcategory magpo-fall yung products ninyo. Just in case hindi nabanggit dito sa kanilang structure for commission fee rates effective April 1, 2024. Just in case naman seller kayo sa Shopee Mall or if you are planning to apply to become a seller under Shopee Mall category, ito naman yung mga commission fee rates effective on April 1, 2024. Under audio category, 6%. Cameras and drones at 6% din. Computers and accessories from 5.5% up to 6%. And then gaming and consoles at 6%. Home appliances from 6% up to 7.72%. And then mobile gadgets from 5% up to 6%. And then meron tayong food and beverages dito at 6.6%. Then beauty, health, mom and baby, pets at 7%. Automobiles from 6% up to 7.72%. Books and magazine at 7.72%. Hobbies and collection from 7.5% up to 7.72%. Home and living, motorcycles, sports and outdoors, stationery, travel and luggage at 7.72%. And then baby and kids fashion, fashion accessories, men bags, men clothes, men's shoes, Muslim fashion, watches, women bags, women clothes, women's shoes at 7.72%. Ito naman yung commission rates kapag kayo po ay under ng Shopee Mall as seller. That's it for our video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment kayo just in case meron kayong topic that you would like me to present and discuss to you. And don't forget to check our playlist, mga updated tutorial about Shopee and even importing, all the information na possible makatulong sa inyo. Check it out. And don't forget to share this information. If may kakilala kang seller sa Shopee, baka hindi pa siya aware na merong ganitong update na mangyayari sa April 1. So, feel free to share this video or this information. See you on our next knowledge sharing. Bye!